Hi, in this video, I will introduce you how to create a simple mountain and topography. So the first thing we need to do here is create a plan. And we change the segments of the legends. We also change the width. So in order to activate the terrain, we need to convert it into editable poly. There are two ways to do the terrain. The first method is to use a modify. So we select the point. We open the soft selection. For example, if we selected several points, and we go to the pen deformation. So as you can see here, there is a push and pull. When we clicked it and we change the height of the value, we also change the brush size. 30. So you can see now the terrain is changed. The terrain is changed only in the area you selected. So if we raise the soft selection to a higher number, you see it also changes the areas. But that's one way to change the terrain. There is another way to change the terrain is to use the first thing we need to set up the workspace into default. And we go to the freeform. You can see there is a push and pull here. The difference between the two methods is the push and pull is not restricted by the areas you selected. So if we choose this one, and you can see there is a setting for the pen. So let's change some of the settings. So you can see here the terrain is changing but not restricted by your selection. And let's look at the other options here. The first one is relax and soften. So if we choose relax, you can see the terrain is actually dropping down and into a soft area. So there is also flatten. But when we use the flatten, it will automatically change the pitch area of the mountain into a flat area. Another interesting point here is the noise. So if we choose a noise, there will also be a paint options exist here. And you can see the noise actually gives us a terrain with variations. So after we've done all the variations, we can click commit here so to accept all the changes. Once we create the terrain, we can actually allocate tree now. So I have a tree model here, and if I want to allocate this one, I need to go to the object pen, and we change the pen on the scene, so we can now paint the tree on the scene. And we select this one. And you can see now tree actually align on the terrain. If we want more tree here, we can actually change the spacing. So if we change it into 2, and you can see more trees are located on the terrain. And we accept the change and change the angle of the scene. And that's all. Thank you.